Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Guru Rajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel to watch the sequence of videos in Python programming. In this video, let's see what we can do with Python in 2022. How we can thrive in software development using Python in 2022. Now, as you can see, Python can be used in multiple domains in the modern world. You can use Python for basic web development in the backend using Django and Flask frameworks. Most popularly, you can use Python for data science and data visualization using these frameworks such as Pandas and Matplotlib. And most famously, Python can be used for artificial intelligence and machine learning using frameworks again such as Pandas and Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Python is very popularly used in big data analytics using the PySpark framework. And lastly, the traditional use of Python is for automation that continues till this modern day. Now let us see how we can use Python in data science so that you can leverage the beautiful properties of Python and its frameworks in data science. Now you can see that we are using the Jupyter Notebook front end for analyzing a mall customer dataset where we are using Python, Pandas framework and Matplotlib for analysis. So as you can see here, I have just taken the dataset and the top 10 rows of the dataset are being shown here. The gender, age, annual income and spending score on a scale of 1 to 10 are given for this. So you can analyze this dataset to find out what kind of people spend more in a mall and how we can incentivize them to increase the business of the mall. As you can see, we have done descriptive analysis, and also we can explore the use of traditional and modern visualization techniques in order to throw more light on the data set and then come to a decision on what kind of people spend more in a mall and how we can incentivize them and provide them more benefits. So this is a typical example for looking at the data set of the customers coming to a mall. Now I'm using Python and Scikit-learn and Pandas framework to predict the salary of the given individual whose experience is given below. Now let's run this is the learning algorithm, and we are running the learning algorithm to build the model which asks for the number of years of experience. Now let's see how the learning algorithm builds the model here. So I give the number of years of experience, and then it tells me that for this experience, the salary that is expected for the engineer is around this, and then the model that is built here is this way. So as you can see, the yellow line is the model, and the red dots are the data that is given, and the model is built, and using this model you can predict the salary for given the number of years of experience. So obviously this is univariate linear regression. You can see that we can use the very good properties of Python and Pandas and Matplotlib to build a learning algorithm and predict the salary given the number of years of experience. So I have shown right away two applications where Python along with frameworks is used in data science and data visualization, and then I showed a limited example of building a model and then predicting the salary for the employee in the mid-level position. So as I was telling you, Python is favorably used in big data analytics also. There are a lot of frameworks, especially Hadoop, and many distributed system frameworks are also used with Python favorably for big data analytics. As you can see, Python is used for building the very famous websites. You might be surprised to see that Python and Django frameworks are used to build Instagram, Spotify, and even I was surprised to find out a couple of years back that YouTube itself, much of the work that was initially done in PHP later was converted to Python and Django. A lot of news feeds, a lot of traditional news websites use Python too. Bitbucket, which is famously used for storing the repositories, which also provides you a private and a public repository, is actually developed with Python. As you can see, Python for web development is as popular as Python for data science and data visualization. And Python for automation is the traditional use of Python replacing the Perl language. And you will see that the use of Python for automation continues till this age. And traditionally, you can use Python for many of these small, medium, and big tasks of automation, such as performing log analysis, finding errors in multiple files. Even the build and test automation process is done with Python using frameworks such as Robo and then the PyTest framework. So hope you got a good idea about how you can use Python in 2022 favorably, and also use this to thrive in software development. But knowing Python alone is not going to suffice. You should select any of the two domains that I have listed out here. You can probably select data science and AML, or you can probably select data visualization and backend development. So if you choose two frameworks and along with Python you study the corresponding frameworks, domain related frameworks, then you would be very well on your way to becoming a super developer in Python. So best wishes for growing your work and your tribe in 2022. So hope you find your best of luck with Python in the months and years to come. Thanks for watching. Please press the like button and leave your comments below. So I would love to hear from you. Thanks a lot.